Hey you guys, it's your girl Di back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed from a dry crazy mess into a hydrated snack. But yeah, we went from nappy to happy real quick. But yeah, look at that, look how hydrated that is. It's super bomb, flowy now and everything. Got some life, I got some life and all that. But yeah, let's get started. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, but the first thing I'm going to show you guys is all the products that I use. Make sure to list everything down below. Okay, so here I'm showing you guys all the products that I used, even though I told you guys that I'll be linking everything down in the description box, but here I'm still showing you guys everything. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and show me some love. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start detangling my hair. It's like a comb it out with a big comb. And call it a day. And by the way, this is a frontal wig that I made and installed myself. So yeah. I got this hair from, where I get this hair from? Shea hair. I'll link everything down below as usual. And all the products that I'll use in this video will also be linked down below. Yeah. The next thing I like to do is just part it into two sections. Hold on, let me throw this in clip. So I'm back. I'm gonna swallow again. I don't know what I'm going to part it into two sections. I'm gonna start with this side. Next thing I'm going to do is get this brush, like a vent brush, a wig brush, whatever you want to call it. And then it's going to be loud. I'm going to turn on my water, and then I'm going to just wet the side of my hair. ojb.dc, bitch. Cause I've been running up a check and envy my start. I need foreign everything and I can't even drive. Young nigga poppin' bottles like a doing shoulder places that I shouldn't even be inside. I just like to comb through it. Make sure you have tangles. Gotta pay close attention cause the niggas cost me. I pray the day never come a nigga say call me. Shout out to the jacks, the one that ain't call me. It's like it's going to be back somewhere. So the thing I like to do after I do my hair is get my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. I'll make sure I list everything down below. And just begin to spray my hair. There we go. And after, I just like to get my brush, vent brush, and just comb through it. Next thing I like to do is get my Simply Curls with coconut oil and shea butter curling cream. Yeah. If I can open it. And it looks like this. Okay. And I like to get a small amount. Like this much. And I like to start in the back first and just work it through. And I'll begin to crunch like this. Put some more. And this stuff makes my hair not frizzy at all. I love it. You begin to crunch all your hair. Look how beautiful it looks. Bomb, hydrated, bomb. And I'm just going to repeat everything on this side.
ojb.dc, bitch. Hey, yeah, hey. Cause I've been running up a check and envy my stride. I need foreign everything and I can't even drive. Young nigga popping bottles I can legally buy. Doing shoulder places that I shouldn't even be inside. My drink dirty like a porta potty. Get the bag from my Jada and my little Audi. Gotta pay close attention cause it may just cost me. I pray the day never come a nigga say he called me. Shout out to this Jackson one that ain't talking. You can tell that I'm important by the way I walk it. You gotta cry before you walking, boy, your money crawling. Somebody mama or mom, I gotta looking flawless. Somebody gon' be mad because they mama's a cool goods ATM because I'm after the moolah. You tripping? We roll and smoke you like bluegers. If not, then I'm right back to the moolah. Cause I'm addicted to making this fast green. Hey,
After I'm done, I just like to put my hair away.
yeah, yeah, I stay to myself and don't ask things. No, I don't need no help or no tag team. I gotta get the bag from my family. I'm addicted to making this fast green. Most of these niggas hoes, I call them drag queens.
Start to crunch it all together and get the curls activated.
No, I don't need no help or no tag team. I'm in the jets off these drugs, feeling wonderful. I got money now, so now I do what I wanted to. Get into the bag, it's just something I can underdo. Couldn't be a bum, nigga, stop it. Even if I wanted to. If you ain't built like this, stay up in the house. Body bags, the only way up in and out. Ain't nobody sending in more shots than what we sending out. Do whatever for my boys that had me when I went out. I used to want to be the center of attention. My people die now, I'm just trying to get redemption.
I always forget the back of my hair. At the top.
Mama said them niggas fake, boy, you need to slow down. But I'm addicted to making money, yeah, I don't know how. I'm addicted to making
And after I'm done with that, I like to get my tropical protecting spray oil. It's just because it got oil in it. I like to spray it in my hand. Mix it all together. And just begin to put it in here. Just want some type of oil into it. One more, two more. And at the top.
ojb.dc, bitch. Hey, yeah, hey. Cause I've been running up a check and envy my